When people start saying forever living scam, it's not because of forever living products. It's
Yeah.
because of some of the people who
Yeah.
is inside in forever and they are trapping people. Because in any industry, there are some people who are basically unethical practices. They are doing business, which is make their name bad, and they are the people who hide their self and they don't show up. So because you have traveled almost like 100 countries, both of you give a viewpoint of how people around the world is taking care of network marketing.
So, yeah, okay. In our travels around the world,
The impact.
well, most of our travels, of course, if not all, are all for free because of Forever. And because of our unprecedented success in Forever, being the first diamond manager in the Philippines, uh, different countries, FBOs from different countries, and even officers have invited us to speak no, to motivate them, to inspire about our story. And one thing that we always emphasize in any country for that matter, we always tell people not to be hyped by FBOs who will show big checks, nice flashy cars, and all, and they cannot teach you anything that you can duplicate. You should, just like what our beloved chairman of the board said when with us, Forever is a business that is pure and simple. Do not complicate it. Do not hype it. Just follow the system. Follow the structure of your mentor. If your mentor does not teach you what to do and he just wants to take advantage of you, then he is not the right mentor for you. Network marketing in Forever is not just a money-making business. First and foremost, we emphasize health and wellness. It is being a user of the product, showing the products that it really works, showing to people that it really works, and at the same time, sharing the business opportunity. When I gave up my job as a bank manager, take note that I have a master's degree in business administration. So the reason why I did not join my wife was I studied very well the industry of network marketing. And I consider network marketing business in Forever. In the corporate world, you are bound by the salary or the contract that you have with your company. And that's it. Even if you're the hardest working person in the world, your salary will still be the same. In network marketing, you can dream big. You can make the money that you want to make. No, I just cannot tell you how much money we make. I'm sure you want to know how much money does these guys are making. Believe me, you will have headache and sleepless nights if you know how much money we make. We don't make money in just two countries. We make money in at least 10 countries around the world for 30 years. Lots of money that can last for generations. Now, I'd like to emphasize that network marketing is a profession. It is a profession. Be professional. Walk your talk. Do not fool people into believing that this is a get rich quick scheme and easy business. We also work hard here, but you will be rewarded, unbelievably. Free travels, car incentive, and multi-currency income. You want to say something?
Yeah. As I add to what Diamond Edmond has mentioned, when we build our global business, remember this, we have a free travel. Are you excited to come with me? Who wants to travel with me for free? 2 travels every year. So there's one in Cancun, Mexico. I'm sure Zeeshan will be joining us. And one in Indonesia. Next year, it's all for free. Now, let me share something very important. When we build our global business, when I started in 1992, it was all offline. But because the company has more than 165 countries around the world, you have the chance to do the business globally. So what am I trying to say here? I will give emphasis to sacrifices. You need to do a lot of sacrifices. What is this? What? Put it in writing. Give up something good to gain something better.
Yes.
Maybe you are too lazy to do forever business. Maybe you're lazy to do your posting. You can't afford to do that. Instead of watching Netflix, Give it up. Do something better that will make you productive. So I've been traveling, and being in the global business, I always have this in mind. A journey of 1,000 miles begin with a single step. So study your business. And when I really studied my business, by the way, I am an economist by profession, but I shifted to becoming a professional networker. I'm not a networker, by the way. I am a professional networker. So when I travel to each country, this is what I'm going to share with you. Advice is you find your leader in each country. So when you find, I went to Dubai, I found my leader in Dubai. I went to Australia, I found my leader in Australia. I went to Greece, I went to Singapore, I went to Netherlands, I went to Greece, I went to Amsterdam, all over the world. Okay, Hong Kong. So when I find my leader, when I found them, you build. What did I mention earlier? Build the trust. This is a business full of building relationship, because you need to be trustworthy and be honest. You should have integrity of your business. How will I stay 30 years here if I'm not honest with my business, isn't it?
Right.
So what I'm doing to do in each country, when I find my leader, my advice is sacrifice. You need to be patient in coaching each one of them. Coaching means share to them the business opportunity, how to present. Second, you teach them the application and uses of the products. Third, is you're going to teach them the skills on how to invite and how to post. So these things are being provided by your mentors. We can provide that even right now. But what I'm saying here is, please understand, there's a free travel every year for free for two, all expense paid by the company. But there is a price to be paid. And what is this? I want you, everybody listening here right now, do a lot of sacrifices in learning the business. Trust me, I am enjoying, I am happy with what we have right now through the Business of Forever.